from technical perspective and see what opportunities are. My name is Naeem Aslam. I come with a wealth of over 15 years of trading experience. During this period, I have worked as a hedge fund trader, Bank of New York Mellon, equity trading for Bank of America, and currently working as a chief market analyst for Evertrade. Now, in terms of Dow Jones futures, what we are witnessing is the futures erasing their losses that we've experienced earlier today. Because when my day, which was 5:30 a.m. in London time, I saw the US futures trading immensely, trading lower. They were down by well over 150 points. So that was indicating to me that, look, bulls are still not gaining strength. The reason that I'm saying that is because yesterday's price action was quite intriguing. That is that we saw immense amount of a selling pressure, which pushed the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 futures towards the 50-day simple moving average on the daily time frame. Of course, this move was very much led by the concern or fear of because of a mutation of coronavirus. Investors and traders were thinking, if there is a mutation of coronavirus, how much of a disaster this can be for the global economy and for economic growth. Now, that obviously led this intense sell-off, but as the prices started to move closer to its 50-day simple moving average, what we experienced was bargain hunters really coming into the market and pushing the market higher. As a result, the Dow Jones closed in positive territory and the S&P 500 well off its lows. But today's price action has failed so far to break above the highs of yesterday. This is quite an important one, because if the price cannot break above the highs of yesterday, today, or in the coming few days, then the likely move is going to be skewed to the downside, meaning we can revisit the lows of yesterday, or even perhaps break them and move all the way towards the 50-day simple moving average. But on the 30-minute time frame, what I am seeing in terms of a price action is that prices are moving back above the 50-day SMA on a 30-minute time frame. Now, as long as that remains in place, that means that prices do have chance to break above the highs of yesterday. The bull momentum can continue, because on the daily and a weekly time frame, bulls are still in control of the price. The reason for this is because prices are trading above the 50, 100, and 200-day SMAs. Now, in terms of commodity markets, what we're seeing is that, yes, gold is trading lower, but the battle is on the daily time frame between the 50 and 100-day SMA. On the intraday time frame, we are seeing selling pressure picking up more momentum. I want the price to break above the 200, 150-day SMA. For now, I'm not seeing that, and that is a concern. Meaning gold prices can move towards the 1800 price level, of course, because of a stimulus package which passed yesterday has strengthened somewhat in consumer and investor sentiment in the market. As for Bitcoin and cryptos, yes, consolidation is very much the move. Prices are staying above the 20,000 price level, which is quite critical for us, because if prices fall below the 20,000 price level, that means more correction could really take place. But for now, the consolidation is the focus, and the all-time high is likely is on traders dashboard, which they want the price to break above that. It is quite good that the prices haven't spiked enormously for the last few days, because that usually follows with a massive retracement, and that hasn't happened in the market. That's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time.